show you how to change the fan blades and the motors in our 1000 CFM 4-speed motor. It's one of our most popular models. It's the 109 model, it's our 101 model, and the 108 model. It's in several of our models. It's one of our best performing and longest lasting motors, so we want to show you how to clean it and how to maintain it. Okay, so I pulled one of the motors out of a unit so that it's easier to see how you can change and maintain the fan blades in the housing. This is your power, your quick connect power. These are your connections for the startup and run capacity. Now the first step, we're going to remove the housing. We need to remove the protective housing so that we can get to the fan blades. So just make sure and pay close attention to the loosen and tighten directions. One of these is left-hand thread, so it's not going to loosen and tighten the same way as a standard nut or bolt. That's this one in this case, so to loosen it, we have to turn it the way you would normally tighten it. So with that off, the fan blade comes out. Both of the fan blades removed. Cleaning is really simple. You can put them in hot, soapy water, put them in the dishwasher. They clean up really well. The biggest problem that we run into is after customers clean these, they're directional. So you need to remember which one came out of which side. You do have a left and a right. So if your range hood, after you change these and clean these, doesn't draw air, it's blowing air down, then chances are you may have them reversed. So that's the only tip. Now these are a long run motor, but in the event that you need to change a motor and you don't want to change the entire housing and the motor together, you can take the motor unit itself out by loosening these 4 screws right here, the 4 nuts, and you pull this motor out. And then you run the cord through, run the new motor in, and connect it. Now if you were changing the motor on this, we removed the fan on the other side. You would loosen this bolt. And there you have it. This is what the motor looks like once it's removed. To remove the motor without removing